In this video, we will move on to the next section, that is vocabulary. So what do you mean by vocabulary? Knowing a vocabulary item means knowing its form, meaning, and function. Vocabulary is viewed as central to the language acquisition process. Solid vocabulary base is necessary at every stage of the language learning process. Communication cannot happen in any meaningful way without vocabulary. So here in the lesson we have concept of word formation. Now look at the set of words given there. Look at the two sets of words listed below. Set 1. Do, undo, sincere, insincere, judge, misjudge. See, there is something given in the box there. Note the following phrases from the reading passage. The most unexpected thing happened in the world of science, thereby leading Raman to the inevitable Nobel Prize. See, unexpected and here inevitable. So the words unexpected and inevitable have been formed by adding un to expect and in to evitable. So now look at the next set of words. Now here again we have a few more. Engage, disengage, biography, autobiography. Now set 2, what is it? Nation, national, drive, driver, enjoy, enjoyment, inspire, inspiring, motivate, motivated. So again in the box there, note the following phrases from the reading passage. He speculated that. Speculated, to verify his speculations. Now out of this there are two words formed. See, speculated, speculations. From the word speculate, two different words are formed here. Speculated and speculations. Note that the verb speculate can be changed to its noun form speculation by adding IONC. So speculate is verb. How can you change it to its noun form? By adding ION to it. Speculation. So this is different ways of forming new words. Now these are known. Now in set 1 we add words or small words in front of the root word. That is known as prefix. Now in set 2 you have words added to the word at the end, and that is called as a suffix. Now prefixes and suffixes together are called as affixes. Now in both the sets above there are pairs of words. Did you notice something about these pairs? In each of the pairs the second word is formed from the first word. In set 1, so just what I told you just now. Set 1, new words are formed by adding something before the given words, whereas in set 2, new words are formed by adding something after the given words. So what we add before words is called prefix, and what we add after words is called suffix. The prefixes from set 1 are un, in, miss, dis, and auto. And the suffixes from set 2 are al, r, or er, ment, ing, and d or ed. So you may have noticed that in case of suffixes, they attach to specific categories of words and change their original category. For instance, look at number 2 in set 2. Suffix is a r or er. This is added to verbs. Here, drive, to form nouns. Here, driver means one who does driving. So from drive is a verb. It is changed to a noun by adding r. Okay. Now, can you figure out the role of other prefixes and suffixes in set 1 and 2 above? You may consult a dictionary for help. What happens in the case of prefixes in set 1? Does the category of words change? So, in both ways, it changes. Sometimes it changes, sometimes it is It falls in the same category of words. Now task 1. Now grammar part and vocabulary we are into task-based learning. You are given exercises and you will be doing those, finding out the words and writing the answers down. So here task 1 for you is form opposites of words given below by adding prefixes. An example has been done for you. The first one is lead. How can you make the opposite or the antonym of lead? Mislead. Qualify. Disqualify. Possible. Impossible. Climax. Anticlimax. Confirmed. Unconfirmed. So you form opposites of words by adding prefixes here. So now task 2 again is to form adjectives by adding appropriate suffixes to the words listed below. An example has been done for you. So one is personal. Person, personal. Create, creative. Beauty, beautiful. Excite, exciting. Pain, painful. So you add suffixes to form adjectives. Now task 3. Complete the sentences using the most appropriate form of words given in the box. Now there's a slight printing mistake here. There are 4 words given and there are 5 blanks. So how do you correct it? How do you write it? Now the first one here is the techno giant was penalized heavily for using customers' personal dash without authorization. Personal information. So you add, inform is given there in the box. You add the suffix and you make it information. Next one. The motto of the new PM should be minimum interference but maximum governance. Minimum interference but maximum governance. The ruling party is facing a strong anti-incumbency wave in the upcoming assembly polls. Next is a possibility of extraterrestrial life has always attracted people's attention. A possibility of extraterrestrial life. There you are adding a prefix. So I'll repeat the answers once more for you. The techno giant was penalized heavily for using customers' personal information without authorization. The motto for the new PM should be minimum interference but maximum governance. The ruling party is facing a strong anti-incumbency. So there you are adding a prefix as well as a suffix. Anti-incumbency wave in the upcoming assembly polls. Next one. A possibility of extraterrestrial life has always attracted people's attention. So we'll stop there for this video. We'll meet next time. Thank you.